Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to fix keyboard voice typing problem on Samsung phone. And friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly you can see the setting, and here you have to move on setting. Okay, when you move on the setting, here you have to scroll on the down. Okay, you just keep scrolling, and firstly I'll show you the keyboard voice typing. Okay, just click on the search bar, and here is the voice mic. Okay, just click on the mic, whether it is working or not. See, okay, it is working. So if your mic doesn't work, there is the problem, then how you can solve it, right? So firstly let's move on the setting, and now scroll on the down to general management. Okay, click on the general management. After that you have to scroll again to Samsung keyboard setting. Okay, just click on Samsung keyboard setting. When you move on the Samsung keyboard setting, again you have to scroll on the down, and here on the down you can see the voice input option. Okay, so from here you just select the voice input option. After that you can select the voice input option from here, but you have been select from before only, but the problem is the in the typing, right? So I'm just give you some suggestion that how to select the voice, okay, mic. Okay, I suppose there is no option, then how more? That's why I'm just telling you this some steps. Okay, you can select from here the first option or the second option, not the third option. Third option is the none, it means nothing. Okay, the mic will be high. So let's move on the back button, again back button, and again back button, because we want to move on setting. Okay, after that from here you have to scroll on to apps. Okay, when you click on the apps, here on the search bar just search for the keyboard. Okay, search for the keyboard. Here is the keyboard, and click on the keyboard. When you move on the keyboard, here you have to scroll on the down and click on storage. Okay, here's the storage. When you click on the storage, here on the down you can see clear data. Okay, just click on the clear data, and your problem will be solved. How many keyboards are there? Maybe there is mi keyboard, or there is Samsung keyboard, or there is gboard, or any keyboard. If there is, okay, there is 3 4 keyboard. Okay, but you have to solve it. Okay, I mean you have to clear data all the keyboards. Okay, just click on the back when you have done. Okay, after that again you have to click on the back, then here again you have to search another keyboard. Okay, if you have gboard or not, let's search for it. Okay, so here is the gboard, and click on gboard. When you click on the gboard, again you have to clear data from here the gboard. Okay, just click on the storage. When you click on the storage, here is the clear data. Click on the clear data, and here gboard will be clear data. Okay, then after that what, you are having the problem on mic. Okay, the mic problem will be solved successfully after the clear data. When you move on search bar, there the option will come agree and continue while using this apps. You have to select that. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.